Hi! In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location. Begin by opening Tab menu. Following that, look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that location is now enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same shortcut again. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well. Scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher at the top to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!